I'm sure all of us love to have good skin at every age and stage of life, right? Then do you really pay attention to what you eat? Because we all know that eating has a direct correlation to obesity, diabetes, or even heart disease. But what most of us fail to connect is nutrition and skin health. So in this video, you would understand how nutrition and your food choices can improve your skin health, and you would also get to know if there are some magic must-have foods for great skin, and if yes, then what are they? Hey guys, welcome to this new video on diet and nutrition tips for healthy skin by Healthify Me. My name is Aruna Prasad and I'm a nutritionist. I've done my master's in nutrition and biochemistry, and I have been guiding people on food and nutrition for the last 11 years. Now, let us look at how to get healthy skin through diet and nutrition tips. Let us begin by understanding if we are starving our skin. What does this mean? Do you have frequent breakouts or skin allergies, or do you feel your skin lacks luster, or have you been experiencing some premature skin aging symptoms? If your answer is yes for even one of these questions, then you're probably starving your skin of all the essential nutrients which cannot be filled by your cosmetic and topical creams, gels, or even serums. So what are the essential nutrients for your skin? Before we proceed further, make sure that you have subscribed to or followed Healthify Me. The first essential nutrient is vitamin A. Retinoids, which promote new skin cells, and carotenoids, which prevent cell damage and premature aging, are the two types of vitamin A that are important to take care of your skin health. So how do you get vitamin A from your food sources? Go back to probably what you learnt in your 4th grade. You know, all the bright yellow and orange colored fruits and vegetables along with the greens give you good amounts of vitamin A. So in the next mango season, make sure to eat them to keep your skin bright and young in summers. You could also include sweet potatoes, pumpkin, red and yellow bell peppers, carrots, and even tomatoes a couple of times a week to nourish your skin. The second essential nutrient is vitamin E. I'm sure a lot of you love using vitamin E-based creams on your skin, since it's one of the most potent antioxidants and can also counteract UV damage. Now, vitamin E is great to keep your skin soft and supple. So overnight soaked almonds that our moms gave in our childhood can be a simple vitamin E source. If you want to further increase your consumption of vitamin E, then probably start adding more nuts. Any nuts of your choice like cashew, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, peanuts, etc. Now coming to the third essential nutrient, which is omega-3 fatty acids. Moisturizing and adding a natural glow to your skin internally is equally important as the external process. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmons, oysters, sardine, along with some vegetarian sources like walnuts, chia seeds, hemp, and peanuts are great to further boost your skin health. Try this in combination with vitamin E, especially if you're trying to improve the luster of your skin or even fighting pigmentation. Now the fourth essential nutrient, which is selenium, another powerful antioxidant to fight sun damage and age spots. So Brazil nuts, fish, tomatoes, shellfish, eggs are some good sources of selenium. Make sure to include them as often as possible to up your intake of selenium. Now the fifth essential nutrient is collagen. There are contradicting studies on collagen supplements promoting skin health, right? Collagen is a protein and one of the main building blocks of our skin. 75% of skin structure is made up of collagen. Collagen degrades as we age, and also sometimes lifestyle factors like smoking, high stress, or even eating wrong foods can further speed up collagen breakdown. So instead of just guzzling down a collagen drink, focus on improving your overall lifestyle. Pay attention to the 3 nutrients that actually help in collagen production, which are vitamin C, zinc, and copper, along with sufficient protein. Let's talk about the 6th essential nutrient, which is vitamin C. This is a powerful antioxidant that fights aging. Other than boosting collagen production, it is important for skin structure and resilience. The simplest way to get your daily dose of vitamin C is by having a glass of Nimbu Pani. Bell peppers, citrus fruits, amla are some of the other foods that you can regularly start including. Now the 7th essential nutrient is zinc. This is essential for people with acne-prone skin. Zinc is important to clear bacteria and also remove excess oil, which leads to acne outbursts. Beans, legumes, nuts, whole grains can be your go-to zinc sources. Now the 8th essential nutrient, copper. This is important for skin defense, cell regeneration and maintaining skin barrier functions. Lentils, nuts, oil seeds, avocados are some good sources of copper. Hard to keep track of your macro and micronutrients? You can now download the Healthify Me app from the link in the description box below to track the macronutrients in your food. You'll be able to track over 55,000 foods, receive real-time insights and automated analytics on your health. Now, let's try and understand some concepts of nutrition and overall lifestyle management to be brought about to improve your skin health. The first concept is about hydration. This is almost like a no-brainer, that good hydration is crucial for skin care. Water is important to keep skin supple, moisturized, and prevent it from looking tired and dry. How much water should you be drinking? Drink enough water depending on your age, gender, physical activity, medical conditions, etc. Now, let's start with the second concept, which is low glycemic index foods. Glycemic index is basically a measurement of how quickly a carbohydrate source is broken down into glucose in the body. Slower the release of glucose, better it is, not just to manage your body weight or blood sugar levels, but also great for your skin health. Now, high glycemic foods like chocolates or cookies or breakfast cereals or toffees can actually accelerate skin aging and also damage your collagen. So just stay away from those foods. Now, coming to the third concept, which is inflammatory foods. Acne is basically inflammation and infection of the sebaceous glands of the skin. These glands can actually be stimulated by hormones which can in turn be affected by inflammatory foods, which are basically rich in saturated fats, hydrogenated fats, margarine, etc. Processed and packaged foods are mostly high in these wrong fats which can trigger inflammation in the body, and for some, it might even show up on their skin. Now, the fourth and important concept, which is on your gut health. Working on clear and radiant skin actually starts by fixing your gut health. Since nutrients are metabolized in the digestive system, inflammatory responses are also managed by the gut. We have to start taking care of this vital system, which is your gut. Fermented foods and a diverse diet with fresh fruits, vegetables, legumes will improve the positive bacteria, which is nothing but the probiotics. So the probiotic levels further start supporting great digestion, absorption, and assimilation of nutrients. Limit fast foods, be mindful when popping over-the-counter pills to further manage good gut health and in turn your skin. Now, the fifth concept is on exercise. Looking to reduce puffy face and giving it some natural glow, the simplest and most inexpensive solution is to exercise. It helps cleanse your skin, boost circulation, manage stress, all of which can show up on your skin because of basically increased uptake of oxygen. Remember to exercise without makeup and also to wash your face immediately after working out if you have some skin issues. Now, the sixth concept is on sleep. Have you heard your favorite celebrity talk about, their beauty sleep for great skin? A study in the journal Clinical and Experimental Dermatology found that people who slept 7 to 9 hours a night had great skin that was more moisturized and that could also protect and heal itself better after being exposed to UV light compared to those who slept, probably for 5 hours or lesser. So fix your sleep schedule if you're looking at improving your skin health. There's no one magic food or one superfood that you can actually have every single day to attain flawless skin. Probably the whole concept of flawless skin seems very, very unrealistic according to me, since the damage that the skin undergoes, the wrinkling, the breakouts, or even the pigmentation is all a part of the game. So though these are governed by various factors, food can actually help alleviate this only because what you eat is purely under your control. So bring in those small yet significant lifestyle modifications and see your skin transform for the better. And now we have reached the end of the video on diet and nutrition tips for healthy skin by Healthify Me. We hope you liked our video. Let us know in the comment section how you found these tips and which of these tips are you going to start using right away. You can also chat with our coaches on WhatsApp for anything related to health and fitness. Click on the link in the description box below and start your consultation now. Do like this video if you learned something new today. You can share this video with your family, friends and your loved ones, and you can also add this video to your personal playlist so that you can come back and watch this video anytime. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned to more videos from Healthy Family. Thank you for watching.